Vipi vipi my people, ni Menta Majid hapa. So guys, kuna kitu yenye I've been working on behind the scenes, na wasee wangu wenye unifuatilia kwa status, kwa WhatsApp status wamekuwa wakiona. I've been trying to incorporate analysis za gold kwa Nexus app. Some of you know me as a person of story na inaitwaje, story na ODBet and all, but many of you don't know that I'm a trader, and I just want to focus kwa Nexus. I just want to focus on analysis za gold because mimi I rarely trade on currency pairs. I'm more of a gold trader. So nataka niwaonyeshe what I've been incorporating in the app at the moment. Predictions za ball zinafanya vizuri, watching football inafanya, watching movies inafanya. So ni nini ingine, like nilikuwa nataka an app yenye ina provide solution kwa kila kitu when it comes to money markets. Okay, so and these are the things that I love. Many of you know napenda virtuals ziko kwa app. I love betting, I love watching movies, I love trading. So hizo ndio vitu zenye mi napenda. So at the moment we are doing back testing, nione if it is before nilete kitu kwa app, kuna mahali na kuanga nafanyia testing, nione if it is worth kukuja kwa app ama ni kitu inahitaji pia kufanyiwa kazi zaidi na zaidi na zaidi. Unaona? So ndio uone kitu iko kwa app ama imekuja kwa app. Wase wenye wamekuwa wakiona app wamekuwa wakiona each and every day kuna vitu zenye zinaongezwa. Wewe unaweza iona leo, but ni kitu maybe nimeiwakia on 5 months, 6 months, you never know. Okay, so kuna acha niingie kwa app yenye natumianga kutest. So at the moment this is the kiasi tu, wacha iload vizuri, wacha tu ni refresh. Yeah, so at the moment hii ni app ya Nexus for testing, for running test and all. So at the moment hizi ndio gold analysis, na inakufanyia analysis na inakupatia the signals, inakupatia the entry point, na inakusetia stop loss na take profit and all. Okay, so this is all the information yenye iko nayo at the moment. You can see at the moment we have two signals. We have a buy signal and a sell signal at the moment. So it is tracking the progress of that signal. So you can see this is the trade B analysis. This is the trade B. It was a sell signal. As you can see inakuonyesha entry point, inakuonyesha take profit na stop loss and all. Okay, trade B currently tuko kwa hii trade because the market all week imekuwa kwa uptrend and all. So getting this entry point was easy, so lazima tungoje hii entry ya sell bado haijafika hapo kwa hiyo range. Okay, so that's our analysis, ama the breakdown of the analysis. And then we have some few things. So it tells you the session that you are on at the moment, and okay, it tells you the direction of the market and also wase wenye wanaelewa, they can understand what's happening at the moment here. So and all. So you can see the graph. Okay, So you see this is our signal, our first signal. So hapo juu nimeonyesha it was the breakdown, so now this is the, but pia from the breakdown you can know the entry point nini and all. So this was the sell signal, nakwambia entry zone 5275 or 5300, stop loss eka 5330, take profit 1 5220, take profit 2 5170. Okay, so and the buy signal was our entry point, our entry zone. Our first entry was 5150, our second entry was 5170. Okay, so stop loss 5120, take profit 5220, take profit 2 5280. Okay, so I want to show you my demo account, because at the moment nimewambia all we are doing is we are back testing and all. Okay, so this is the current trade. As you can see, we are floating on profit. As you can see, we are floating on profit. So tunangoja ifike take profit yetu ni hapa 5220. Okay, so tunangoja hit hapo and then we are out of the market. But so far so good, and you can see the analysis are so good, and so let's wait and see. It's something that I've been really working on, and you know me, nikisha set my mind into something lazima happen, lazima iachivike. Okay, so for my people, congratulations kwa wenye walikula magames za jana. Correct score ya Arsenal was a boom. Congratulations to each and everyone. So tuzidi kuwin, na yeah, the goal is to see each and everyone winning. So kismat majama.